Good evening, class 4. I hope you all are fit, fine, and healthy at home. Dear children, today's topic is inside the system unit. Let's start today's topic. Chapter number 3, Inside the System Unit. Introduction. System unit is a box-like case that stands near the monitor. Some system units are placed under the monitor. System unit is the most important part of computer system. It protects the internal electronic components from damage. It protects the internal electronic components from damage. It is also called computer cache. The electronic components and most storage devices of a computer resides inside the system unit. Components inside the system units include motherboard, RAM, CPU, disk drive, and power supply. Now children, we will read about each part in detail. First is motherboard. As you can see in picture, a motherboard is a large circuit board inside the system unit. It is also known as system board. It contains many different types of chips, and the most important chip is CPU, which we call microprocessor or processor. Second is CPU, Central Processing Unit. Just like your brain controls every part of your body, the computer also has brain which controls every part of it. CPU is also called processor or microprocessor. Now, functions of CPU. The main function of CPU is to control the functions performed by other components of computer. As it is central processing unit, everything to be processed pass through it. देखिए आपका जो हमने पढ़ा था कि सिस्टम जो है वो काम करता है IPO साइकिल पर, इनपुट प्रोसेस एंड आउटपुट। तो जो P है प्रोसेसिंग है वो सारा का सारा काम CPU देखता है। तो जब भी कुछ टास्क फिनिश होगा तो वो CPU से पास होने के बाद ही फिनिश होगा। CPU is used to process instructions, perform calculations and manage most of the operations. The devices that are connected to the computer first communicate with CPU in order to carry out a task. For example, keyboard, mouse. अगर मैं कीबोर्ड या माउस से कुछ क्लिक कर रहा हूँ तो वो तभी काम करेगा, सबसे पहले वो CPU से कम्युनिकेट करेगा, उसके बाद जो आपका उसका रिजल्ट है, आउटपुट है, वो आपको मॉनिटर पे दिखाई देगा। नेक्स्ट इज पार्ट्स ऑफ CPU. CPU contains the following part: control unit and arithmetic and logic unit. As you can see in picture, CPU के दो पार्ट लिखे हैं, CU and ALU। फिर इनपुट आउटपुट, जो मैंने बताया था IPO साइकिल पे काम करता है। इनपुट रिसीव होगा, मेमोरी में आया, CPU से इंटरेक्शन हुआ, देन फाइनली जो आउटपुट है वो आपको दिखेगा। अगर आपने डेटा स्टोर करना चाहते हो फॉर फ्यूचर यूज तो स्टोरेज डिवाइस में डेटा सेव हो सकता है। पार्ट्स ऑफ CPU जो भी हमने देखे थे, first is control unit. It is a part of CPU which directs and coordinates most of the operations and instructions in computer. Next is arithmetic and logic unit. It is also part of CPU which performs arithmetical operations, comparison operations and logical operations. Arithmetic operations include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Comparison operations involve comparing one data with another, for example greater than, equal to, less than or not equal to. Logical operations use conditions such as and, or, not. The speed of CPU is measured in megahertz and gigahertz, megahertz or gigahertz. Next, third is RAM. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ रैम इज रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी। दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड प्राइमरी मेमोरी। जब भी कोई प्रोग्राम होता है सबसे पहले वो यहीं पे लोड होता है। रैम इज अ मेमोरी डिवाइस अटैच्ड टू द मदरबोर्ड। व्हेन अ प्रोग्राम इज स्टार्टेड इट इज फर्स्ट लोडेड इन द रैम। रैम इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड प्राइमरी मेमोरी और मेन मेमोरी। डिस्क ड्राइव्स फर्स्ट डिस्क ड्राइव हमारे पास है हार्ड डिस्क ड्राइव. The hard disk drive is used to store data and information for future use. Most computers have one hard disk located inside the system unit. मार्केट में अलग अलग स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी की हार्ड डिस्क अवेलेबल हैं, लाइक 500 GB, 1 TB, 2 TB. Next is CD-ROM or DVD disk drive. A CD-ROM or disk drive reads the information stored on compact discs or DVDs. Next is Blu-ray disk drive. A Blu-ray disk drive reads information stored on a compact disc, DVDs or Blu-ray discs. Next is power supply. Many times computers are plugged into standard wall outlets which supply an alternating current AC. This type of power is unsuitable for use with a computer because it requires a direct current. The power supply converts the wall outlet AC power into DC. Last one is ports. On a typical desktop computer, the back of a system unit contains the number of holes and slots called ports into which you plug in computer devices. Dear children, ये जो आप फर्स्ट टू देख रहे हैं इनको बोलते हैं PS2 ports और these ports are used for plug-in keyboard and mouse. This is USB port, Ethernet port used for to connect with the internet, serial port. This is LPT printer port, VGA port for connecting monitor. This is a gaming port, speakers के लिए है, microphone के लिए and line port. Okay children, this is all about your chapter 3. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you children. God bless you all.